In today's episode, we'll talk about engine oil deficiency. Let me tell you that if any car runs low on oil, it will be exposed to very big problems. This can lead to permanent engine damage if you don't catch it quickly. That's why you need to constantly monitor the oil level in your car, and it's preferable to do this yourself at least every 2 weeks. The matter is very simple. All you have to do is park your car on a level ground, turn off the engine, and wait about 5 minutes until all the oil drains into the oil pan or crankcase. Then pull out the engine oil dipstick. If you find that the oil level is less than the minimum level marked on the dipstick, then you have a clear problem, which is that the oil is low. At that point, you need to add the oil immediately and also look for the reason that caused the oil to decrease. To understand the matter more clearly, we will now know the most important reasons that cause the engine oil to decrease and the most common signs that clarify this problem. Also, what solutions can you do before it causes major malfunctions? Let's get started. Let's go. What are the signs of low engine oil? With time and use, any engine is subject to natural wear and tear. At that point, you may notice that the oil starts to burn more than usual, or that leaks occur from areas within the engine. In this case, you'll need to regularly add oil and repair any leaks to prevent the problem from getting worse. To help you be on the lookout for early warning signs before major damage occurs, let me tell you about 3 clear signs that indicate your engine oil is low. First sign, the oil pressure light comes on. One of the most obvious signs that you have an engine oil problem is the oil pressure light coming on your dashboard. This is a very important sign that you should be aware of. Simply put, there's an oil sensor mounted near the oil filter. Its job is to measure the oil pressure inside the engine. If the oil level drops, the pressure will immediately drop, and the sensor sends a signal to the computer and displays a warning on the dashboard. Of course, this warning should never be ignored. You must stop and add oil immediately before the problem escalates and the engine is damaged. It's also best to take your car to a maintenance center to inspect it and determine the real cause of the oil loss, whether it's a leak or a burnout, and fix it as quickly as possible. Second sign, a rough engine noise. When the engine oil level drops for a while, friction between engine parts increases significantly. As you continue driving while the oil level is low, you'll start hearing a loud knocking noise from under the hood. This is a very serious sign, as it could be the last time the engine starts before it shuts down completely. Of course, not every rough engine noise is caused by a lack of oil. Sometimes the reason is that the type of oil you're using isn't suitable for your engine. That's why you should always choose the oil recommended in your car's owner's manual. Also, keep in mind that oil not only reduces friction, but also cleans the engine of deposits and aids in cooling, allowing it to run efficiently. Third sign, the smell of burnt oil. The engine has many moving parts which generate very high temperatures. The oil is the cooling agent that keeps the temperature within safe limits. However, if the oil is low, these components won't cool properly, and you may smell a distinct burnt oil odor that can sometimes even enter your car. Also, be aware that low oil isn't always the cause. The type of oil you're using may be unsuitable for your engine, causing the oil to burn faster than normal. So, what are the causes of low engine oil? It's perfectly normal for a car engine to lose some oil with use. This is normal and not a major problem. However, if the oil starts to decrease more than normal, you need to know the causes so you can act quickly and avoid any problems before they become bigger. The first reason, damaged cylinder head gasket. One of the reasons that can cause your engine oil to run low is a damaged cylinder head gasket. This will cause your engine temperature to rise and fuel consumption to increase. This is a serious issue because the cylinder head gasket acts as a seal that holds the cylinders in place within the block, and any damage to it can cause major problems. If it does happen, it requires a major repair and is very expensive. Second cause, weak piston rings. If the engine is burning oil, you'll notice gray-blue smoke coming from the exhaust. This is a clear sign that there's a problem with the piston rings. When the rings weaken, oil begins to enter the combustion chamber and burn with the gasoline. This not only reduces the oil content, but over time, it can also damage the entire engine. The solution here isn't easy, as the piston rings must be replaced and the engine completely overhauled. Third reason, damaged evaporative valve. The evaporative valve, or PCV, plays a vital role in regulating the pressure of gases that accumulate inside the engine. If it's completely clogged, the pressure inside the engine increases, and oil begins to leak from the coil, oil seals, gaskets, or even the valve cover. Also, if the valve is damaged, polluting gases, including fuel, will continue to accumulate inside, causing the oil to burn faster and be consumed at an abnormal rate. The good thing about it is that replacing it is easy, quick, and inexpensive, unlike other malfunctions. Fourth cause, external leaks. You may find your car running well with no obvious symptoms, but when you check the oil level with a dipstick, you find it's low. This is often due to a small external engine leak. If the leak is large, you'll notice it quickly. Either the oil light will light up on the dashboard, or you'll find a clear oil spot under the car. A small leak, however, causes the oil to gradually decrease without you even noticing. It's often caused by worn wool or oil seals, a valve cover gasket, or even a damaged crankcase or oil filter. Fifth reason, using the wrong oil. Choosing the wrong engine oil can cause major problems in the long run. If you spend months using the wrong type of oil, engine wear will accelerate, eventually leading to complete engine failure. For example, if you use fully synthetic oil in an older car or over very long mileage, you may notice oil leaks. This is because synthetic oils are lighter and can penetrate narrow spaces that conventional oil cannot. Also, if the oil's viscosity is lower than required, under difficult conditions such as high temperatures, it will evaporate or burn more quickly, failing to provide adequate lubrication to engine parts. Sixth cause, damaged valve seals. Valve seals play a vital role in regulating oil consumption and lubricating the intake and exhaust valves. Therefore, if you notice a decrease in oil, the reason could be that your valve seals are damaged. This happens when some oil accumulates on top of the cylinder head, and this oil reaches this part while the engine is running. If the car is parked for a long time, the valve seals cool and shrink, creating a small vacuum through which oil leaks into the combustion chamber. At this point, you'll find the oil gradually burning without you even realizing it. Seventh reason, delaying an engine oil change. Engine oil has a shelf life, and most modern cars can travel between 5,000 and 15,000 kilometers before needing an oil change. But be careful. Your driving style directly affects this period. For example, if you drive a lot around town or make short trips, the oil will consume more quickly. Also, if you tow a trailer, drive in high temperatures, such as in the Gulf and Middle East, or even leave your car running while parked for long periods, all of this makes the oil need to be changed sooner than normal. If you neglect this and don't change the oil on time, the oil loses its viscosity and ability to withstand high temperatures. At that point, it begins to burn and cause major problems inside the engine. So, what's the solution to the problem of low engine oil? After discussing the causes of low engine oil, we'll now discuss some common problems caused by low oil and possible solutions. That is, what could happen to your car if the oil level is low, and how to address the problem before it escalates and leads to serious engine damage. First, excessive oil consumption without exhaust smoke. You may notice that your car is consuming excessive oil, and each time you change the oil, you find the level is low, yet there is no exhaust smoke. In this case, the solutions you can start with are: replace the evaporator valve if it is damaged. *, perform an engine compression test to determine if pistons need replacing. *, replace the cylinder head gasket if damaged. *, replace any damaged oil seals or gaskets that may be causing the leak. *, finally, you must ensure you are using the correct type of oil for your car. Second, excessive oil consumption with a change in the color of the coolant. You may notice that the engine is consuming consuming a lot of oil. If you open the radiator or the coolant tank, you will find the water turning brown and foamy, even though there is no visible oil leak. You will also not find smoke coming from the exhaust. In this case, the solution is as follows. Asterisk replace the cylinder head gasket if damaged. Asterisk repair or replace the cylinder head itself if the problem is more serious. Asterisk inspect the oil cooler. If it is faulty, repair or replace it entirely. Third, excessive oil consumption with an oil slick under the car. If you notice a rapid oil loss and, at the same time, a clear oil slick collects under the car while parked, this indicates an external leak. Solutions in this case include replacing the oil evaporation valve if damaged. Asterisk replace any damaged oil seals or gaskets that may be causing the leak. Asterisk ensure the oil filter and oil drain plug are securely installed and free of any looseness. Fourth, excessive oil consumption with smoke coming from the exhaust. If the oil level drops rapidly and smoke begins to come from the exhaust, this is an indication that the oil is burning inside the engine. Solutions in this case include replace the oil evaporator valve if damaged. Asterisk perform a compression test to determine if piston rings need replacing. Asterisk replace any damaged oil seals or gaskets that may be causing the leak. Asterisk replace damaged valve seals that allow oil to pass into the combustion chamber. At the end of our episode, we have explained the most important reasons that can cause the engine oil to decrease, as well as the common problems and solutions that will help you deal with them. The idea is to know the symptoms and catch the problem early before it gets bigger and causes you major malfunctions or expensive repair costs. Always remember that monitoring the oil level periodically and changing it on time is one of the most important things that you can do to maintain your car engine. Thank you for following, and wait for us in a new episode.